Bonjour guys! Poulpy Camille here. I just got back from my scout camp, so for 2 weeks and a half I was busy somewhere else, and I didn't finish the bathing suit, so this is not about the bathing suit. But instead of this, I propose you to make a French bouquet. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to make paper roses and to make a bouquet. Why French bouquet? Because I'm French. So the bouquet will be French. Let's have fun! Yeah, I just said let's have fun, but that doesn't sound like I said let's have fun. Let's have fun! To make the bouquet, you're gonna need some paper to make the rose, some other paper just to make a square, so as to be a model, a pen, some scissors, some glue from a stick glue, and some liquid glue. So first you're gonna draw some squares on the colored paper. You need 3.5 to make one flower. If you want to make a bouquet, so with several roses, you're gonna need some more paper. So I have a lot of different papers. Let's make squares! If, like me, you are recycling old papers, and if there are some faults on them, make sure to place them under big books or dictionaries. Oh! There you have you guys, how I made a French bouquet for a friend's birthday. Yeah! I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, so I don't have a lot of hope for that bathing suit I was supposed to do. Maybe someday I will finally make it. Okay, see you soon. Yay, we love intensive protection.